guys, welcome back to Sandro channel. I thank you so much for visiting my channel again, right? Alright, today I will continue my discussion about English conversation practices. This is part 12, right? In this video, we will talk about how to make an appointment with someone in English. Ya, jadi pada kesempatan kali ini saya akan melanjutkan pembahasan tentang latihan-latihan percakapan dalam bahasa Inggris. Ini merupakan bagian ke-12 ya. Oke, dalam video kali ini kita akan membicarakan tentang bagaimana membuat janji dengan seseorang dalam bahasa Inggris. I do hope that by watching this material you can improve your English speaking mastery. Anyway, before I start the lesson, I would like you to click subscribe, like, and share this material to your friends who knows they need this material in studying English, right? Alright everybody, now let's start the lesson. Okay, yeah, as I told you that we are going to discuss about how to make an appointment with someone. Okay, this is section 1, right? Okay, now let's start the lesson. Hello, this is Randy Setiawan. I would like to make an appointment to see Dr. Henry. Certainly. What seems to be the problem? I would like to have my monthly checkup. Fine. When would you be available to come to see Dr. Henry? Any day next week in the evening would be great. How about tomorrow at 6 o'clock? That sounds fine. Thank you. We will see you tomorrow, Mr. Randy. Goodbye. Okay, this is the end of this conversation. That is so simple and so yeah, it's a short conversation, right? Okay, now I will repeat once more this dialogue in a slower way. Ya, jadi saya akan mengulangi lagi percakapan ini dengan lebih lambat, and I want you to repeat after me. Ya, jadi saya ingin Anda mengulangi setelah saya. Okay, let's start now. Hello, this is Randy Setiawan. I would like to see Hello, this is Randy Setiawan. I would like to make an appointment to see Dr. Henry. Certainly. What seems to be the problem? I would like to have my monthly checkup. Fine. When would you be available to come to see Dr. Henry? Any day next week in the evening would be great. How about tomorrow at 6 o'clock? That sounds fine. Thank you. We will see you tomorrow, Mr. Randy. Goodbye. Okay, this is the end of this conversation, right? Okay, now I will repeat the conversation once more. Yeah, and then I will provide you the translation of the text so it will help you in understanding this appointment, right? Jadi saya akan mengulangi lagi dan saya akan hadirkan dengan terjemahan ya. Dengan demikian akan membantu Anda untuk memahami percakapan ini. Okay, check it out. Hello, this is Randy Setiawan. I would like to make an appointment to see Dr. Henry. Halo, ini Randy Setiawan. Saya ingin membuat janji bertemu dengan Dr. Henry. Certainly. What seems to be the problem? Tentu. Apa yang tampaknya menjadi masalah? I would like to have my monthly checkup. Saya ingin melakukan pemeriksaan bulanan. Fine. When would you be available to come to see Dr. Henry? Baik, kapan Anda bisa datang menemui Dr. Henry? Any day next week in the evening would be great. Hari apa saja minggu depan? Kalau bisa malam hari akan sangat bagus. How about tomorrow at 6 o'clock? Bagaimana kalau besok jam 6? That sounds fine. Thank you. Kedengarannya bagus. Terima kasih. We will see you tomorrow, Mr. Randy. Goodbye. Sampai jumpa besok, Pak Randy. Okay, this is the end of this conversation, right? Okay, I do hope that you can practice this conversation with your partner, or you can practice by yourself, right? And I do hope that this material will help you in studying English. Please repeat more and more until you can do it fluently, right? Okay, and then you can do it without looking at the text, right? Jadi Anda silakan mengulangi berkali-kali percakapan ini. Ini contoh yang sangat umum dipakai ya. Ini adalah contoh bagaimana kita membuat janjian dengan dokter. Ya, jadi Anda bisa melakukannya, Anda bisa mengulang-ulang sampai Anda lancar ya. Jadi kalau sekali diputar belum lancar atau belum bisa menghafal, ulangi lagi sampai menghafal. Okay, I do hope that this material will help you in studying English. Thank you so much for watching this video, and before leaving this channel, I would like to remind you, please click subscribe, like, and share this material to your friends who knows they need this material in studying English. And don't forget to press the bell button so you will get the notification from me anytime I publish my new videos. Alright everybody, thank you so much once again for watching this material, right? Bapak, Ibu, adik-adik, saudara-saudari sekalian, terima kasih sekali lagi atas kunjungan Anda ke channel ini. Terima kasih sudah menonton channel ini, dan jangan lupa tekan tombol subscribe bagi yang belum subscribe agar Anda bisa menjadi bagian yang berkontribusi untuk pengembangan channel ini. Dan di bawah channel ini atau di bawah video ini ada icon khusus untuk ucapan terima kasih atau special thanks dari Anda penonton channel ini, penonton video ini. Kalau Anda merasa bahwa materi ini bermanfaat bagi Anda dan Anda mau berkontribusi untuk pengembangan channel ini, silakan klik ucapan terima kasih di sana, dan silakan Anda mendonasikan berapapun yang Anda mau untuk pengembangan channel ini. Sekali lagi terima kasih untuk dukungan dan partisipasi Anda. Alright everybody, thank you so much for visiting this channel, and I do hope that this material will help you in studying English. Once again, don't forget to click subscribe, because by subscribing you will contribute in developing this channel, right? Okay, and there is a special icon under this channel, right? Okay, there is a special thanks from you to this channel, for this channel, right? Okay, and if you think that this material help you and you want to donate something to this channel, you can click the icon thanks, and then you can donate something to this channel. Okay, once again, thank you so much for your kind attention, and have a nice day.